we are going to talk about the days of the week. Well, before we start, let me ask you to subscribe to your channel Inglés para tu vida, and don't forget to share this video with all the people that you know want to learn English. Alright, so let's continue with the class. The days of the week. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's repeat. Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday. Excellent! So we can practice these days of the week with questions and answers. For example, what day is it today? What day is today? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Let's repeat the question. What day? What day? What day is today? What day is today? Today is Monday. Can you practice with me? What day is today? Today is Tuesday. Very good. What day is today? Today is Wednesday. Very good. What day is today? Today is Thursday. Excellent. Very good. What day is today? Today is Friday. Very good. What day is today? Today is Saturday. Excellent. And finally, what day is today? Today is Sunday. Excellent. So the idea is that you practice complete questions and complete answers so that you can be fluent in English from the beginning. Let's repeat. What day is today? Today is Monday. What day is today? Today is Tuesday. What day is today? Today is Wednesday. What day is today? Today is Thursday. What day is today? Today is Friday. What day is today? Today is Saturday. What day is today? Today is Sunday. So this is the idea of my channel Inglés para tu vida, that you practice complete questions, complete answers, and you feel very, very confident when speaking English from the beginning. Alright? So today is Monday. What about tomorrow? What day is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. Very good. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Today is Monday. Let's repeat. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Very good. What about yesterday? If today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday. Very good. Yesterday was Sunday. Excellent. So we are practicing 3 days. Yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday. Let's repeat. Yesterday was Friday. No. Yesterday was Sunday. Very good. Yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday. Very good. Excellent. So, what about if we practice with the calendar now that we are in December and we can check when is Christmas? Can you check? What about if you go and find it out in your calendar? What about Christmas? When is December the 25th? Is it Monday? Is it Tuesday? What day is it Christmas? You have? Let me see. I'm going to check it on my mobile phone, all right? If you have the date, you can write it down in the part of the comments. Let's write here, calendar, and we have December. So we have that Christmas this year, 2019, is Wednesday. On Wednesday the 25th, right? Very good. Wednesday the 25th. And what about New Year? When are we going to celebrate New Year's Eve? Is on Tuesday the 31st. It's on Tuesday the 31st. All right? Very good. So today we practice the days of the week. Thank you so much for your attention. What about if you share this video with all the people that you think need to learn English? Don't forget in the part of the comment to write something about this class, or if you want a new topic also you can mention. See you in our next class. Have a beautiful day, and that's all.